Welcome to this short video on the removal of Land Rover 300TDI injectors. During this video we will look at the tools and procedures used in the removal and subsequent testing. We will assume a basic understanding of engineering, and that the user has a selection of tools and equipment to hand. 1. Remove oil filler cap and release sound insulation cover from the top of the engine. 2. Disconnect high-pressure fuel supply pipes from injectors and injection pump, remove in pairs. 3. Disconnect spill return hoses from injectors. 4. Plug pipes and injector connections to prevent the ingress of dirt and foreign matter. 5. Remove retaining nut and release each injector clamp plate from cylinder head. 6. Remove injector and discard copper washer. We left the injectors to soak to loosen some of the dirt. We then used our high-pressure fuel injector testing pump to test the spray pattern on each injector. We found that one of the injectors was leaking while building up pressure and dripping. These injector tips and needles can be replaced, so we ordered a new set and did all four together to ensure an even spray pattern.